Panama City is the capital of Panama and a popular tourist destination. If you're on a budget, don't worry, there are plenty of ways to explore the city without breaking the bank. Here are 14 ways to see Panama City on a budget. Take a free walking tour. Many companies offer free walking tours of Panama City. This is a great way to see the city's landmarks and learn about its history. Visit the Panama Canal. The Panama Canal is a must-see attraction in Panama City. While admission to the visitor center is not free, you can watch the ships pass through the canal for free from the Amador Causeway. Explore Casco Viejo. Casco Viejo is the historic district of Panama City and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can explore the area for free and take in the beautiful architecture. Check out the street art. Panama City is known for its street art. You can take a self-guided tour of the city's murals and graffiti for free. Go to the fish market. The Mercado de Mariscos is a popular seafood market in Panama City. You can sample some of the fresh seafood and watch the locals in action. Visit the Ancon Hill. Ancon Hill is a natural reserve in Panama City with great views of the city. The entrance to the park is free, and you can hike to the top of the hill for panoramic views. Take a ferry to Taboga Island. Taboga Island is a small island near Panama City that is popular for day trips. You can take a ferry from the Amador Causeway for a reasonable price. Visit the Biomuseo. The Biomuseo is a museum of biodiversity designed by Frank Gehry. While admission is not free, you can visit the outside of the museum for free and take in the beautiful architecture. Go to the Plaza de Francia. The Plaza de Francia is a beautiful square in Panama City dedicated to the French engineers who worked on the Panama Canal. You can visit the square for free and take in the views of the city. Explore the Cinta Costera. The Cinta Costera is a waterfront park in Panama City with great views of the city skyline. You can walk, run or bike along the park for free. Visit the Panama Viejo. Panama Viejo is the old Panama City, founded in 1519. You can visit the ruins of the city for a small admission fee. Go to the local markets. Panama City has several local markets where you can find everything from fresh produce to souvenirs. You can explore the markets for free and find some great bargains. Take a bus tour. Panama City has several bus tour companies that offer affordable tours of the city. This is a great way to see the city's highlights without breaking the bank. Enjoy the nightlife. Panama City has a vibrant nightlife scene. Enjoy the atmosphere of Panama City. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.